Echo 5 Foxtrot, this is Hitman 2 Actual. You are approved to engage in 5 mics.
Hey, listen up! As you exit the bus, you're going to utilize the handrail, touching each and every step as you exit in the bus. Does that make sense? Yes, if you have a suitcase that has wheels, pick up the suitcase. You are not rolling because you are no longer in the airport. Understand? Yes, sir. Let's go get off the bus.
Right.
Hey, let's go! Hurry up!
When I ask the question, do you understand that?
Yes, sir!
Now, when I tell you to, and only when I tell you to, you're gonna grab your things, get out my bus. Once you get out my bus, you're gonna get out my yellow footprint. You're gonna fill it in from front to back, from left to right. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir!
You place all your trash on the deck, and you will not take anything out of your pockets. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir!
Tens of thousands of Marines have begun their outstanding service on these very yellow footprints. You will carry out that proud tradition, do you understand?
Aye, sir! Let's go! Hurry up! Power walk faster now!
Hey, listen, the first aisle is going to be the small. The second aisle is going to be your medium. Your last aisle is going to be your largest. Looking on the cards, it's going to tell you exactly the size that you need. Go down the first aisle for the small. Next aisle is going to be the mediums. All the ladies going to come down the small. All ladies down the small. All ladies down the small. You're going to get a small long for you. Hey, let's go.
Medium.
Let's go. You right here down the small. Right here. You right here. Young man with the Air Force shirt on. Small long. Small long. Small long. You too. Small long. Let's go. Keep on going. Keep on going. Keep on going. Keep on going.
If in doubt about any of these items, check with the drill instructor. Drugs will not be tolerated. Do you understand me? Yes, sir!
Next time I contact you, it will be by postal mail, so expect a letter in 2 to 3 weeks. I love you. Goodbye.
Hello, I don't have much time, so please grab a pen and paper quickly. Please tell everyone my address is AB Garcia, comma, Samuel. Next line, 321 TRS FLT 071.
JBSA Lackland SA.
Additional family and friends want to attend my graduation. Please send a letter to me with the following information: their full name, their date of birth, driver's license number, and state issue. Goodbye.
success depends on teamwork. Teamwork is an essential part of your training while here at MCRD. From now on, you will live, eat, sleep, and train as a team.
You will uphold their legacy, do you understand me?
Go, hurry up.
Thanks, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like what you're seeing, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you really want to, subscribe to the channel. If you're interested in all of our projects, including all of our podcasts, our swag, and all of that, check out our website, ghosttactical.us. Until next time, Semper Fi.